Hello there. Today the video is on how to write your motivation letter for higher studies for particularly Germany, because I am in Germany right now, so I can tell you about German universities. So these 5 things that I've cited, that first you should start with your background, uh, means what are your bachelor studies and what experience that you may have, you should cite that. Then what is the motivation for this particular course that you're applying to. Then the third thing is why you want to study particularly in Germany and not any other country or your home country. Then you should finish it up with your future goals, which should be in line with the course that you are applying to. And finally, and the most important thing is that the university requirements for this particular course would be cited in their website, that how you should write the motivation letter and what you should include. So basically it would be all these things, but some particular universities, they ask for some more also, that whether write your 5 good points or find your 5 points that would be beneficial for the other course members. So I have come across universities which cite these requirements also, plus there would be requirement of the word limit or the page limit, so that those requirements should be mandatory for you when you are writing a motivation letter. Means you should not exceed that limit, whether it's a word limit or it's a page limit. Then now I would be sharing my motivation letter which got me admit in Technical University of Munich last year for SRM course. So this is how I wrote, just what I have cited in my in the first page, the requirements. I have stick to those requirements, and you can pause the video and you can see how I have written it. And the last page, it means I finish it up with this. So the word limit was 400 words for this particular course in TUM, and I've stick to that limit only, and I've not exceeded that limit, and which I believe, because I was checking all the words. So I think I have maybe I've completed in 399 words or 400 words. Means I did not exceed 400, that is for sure. So I hope that these things which I've cited would help you, and I hope you get your dream course and university. Thank you for listening and have a good day.